Hello, how you doing? I had a thought. I've been thinking about um, Space Marines a lot, but recently I've been thinking about all the organs and shit that get added to Space Marines because it's how they use and function during war and what makes them so powerful. But you got the secondary heart. That's self-explanatory. You got the osmedulla, which basically makes hormones that makes bones grow faster. I guess that's for people like, what's the name, they use bones in battle and motherfuckers who, break a leg or some shit. You got the bioscopia. It releases hormones too that increases muscle mass. Then you got sinew coils, which is basically tendons and ligaments, makes them harder. Magnificat, which is an amplifier, well, known as an amplifier, basically makes them immortal or lets them live a long time, but also makes the growth functions a lot, shit. And you got the Belisarian furnace, which basically just brings people back to life. You got the hemostamin, is a blood one, which basically makes blood clot a lot faster. You got the Laramens organ, which puts out Laramen cells, which basically makes them heal faster, blood clotting. It helps the blood clotting a lot faster. You got the Calaspian node. It it helps them sleep without sleeping, and that's pretty much it. Prenomnor is just resistance to poison. Basically, lets you eat whatever, so you live from it. You got the homeophagia, is so stupid. You learn by eating. It's basically like, people who drink blood, people who are cannibals can get information from what they eat. They got multiple lungs. That's self-explanatory. You got the ocular lobe. It's just the response of eyes, I guess. Light perceptive shit. Basically makes them see better. The Laramen's ear, it basically makes them immune to dizziness, like what is it, vertigo and shit like that. You got the Susan membrane. I, I don't know what this does. I honestly don't know what this does. I guess it helps them not die and lets them be able to hibernate, and it would like get into a state of hibernation. I guess it helps the sleeping shit. Yeah, the melochromatic organ, skin shit, just in case they need skin, and helps them against radiation. Another kidney, I guess it helps with the circulatory system, but it's a kidney. Yeah, and neuroglottis, smell and taste, pretty much. Probably better for the Space Wolves. You got the muracanoid, resistance to heat and cold through sweat glands. The Belcher's gland is two different parts on the lips. It's basically another defense against poison. It helps corrosive and burn a range shit. It's like they can spit poison. It's one of the things that they can do. You got the progenitoids. No idea. It's very important for the future of the chapter. I'm guessing it's where the gene seeds come from or where they're located, I guess. And then you got the black carapace. Then you got the black carapace. It's literally just a whole suit under the skin to hold everything in and have them interface with a suit. It all takes between 10 and 20 years. I mean, 20. It takes 20 years to put all this shit into a Space Marine because they need the time to be. Their body needs time to adjust to these things, and each legion got their different things that makes them more a part of their legion. You got the blood thing with Sanguinius. You got the Canis Helix and shit with the Blood Angels. You got Nocturne. I mean, not Nocturne. Vulcan's people going through fire and shit like that. But each of those things make a Space Marine. My problem with that is just like all of these organs have to fit inside me and make space to fit inside me to make a super soldier that is crazy as fuck, big as fuck, and still has a massive chance to fail. Like, it, out of all of this stuff that gets put into a party and all of these things that get put into a person, all of it has a chance to fail more than it has a chance to, succeed. Which is why they only want people when it comes to tithes sometimes. We want motherfuckers en masse because we put all this shit into a motherfucker. We need to make sure it works. And if it don't work, they just get killed. It's just a waste.